The name of our institute is HaZikaron. This name translates from Hebrew as people of memory, and this name is not accidental. We believe that without memory, our people would not exist. The Institute HaZikaron conducts the workshop Generations since 2009. Participants of our workshop are young people who know not so much about their roots. And still, it is these roots who gave them the right to participate in the birthright program. What is the workshop Generations? What is it for? This is kind of a travel in history of the Jewish people, where we attempt to give it in a new way as an interactive theater, where the participants of the workshop actually have an adventure in the Jewish history. What a beauty! Build the line. Greet the emperor. You see him? Here he is. Greet him. Here they are, the Roman legionnaires. You smile to the emperor. First of all, I would like to thank the actors for the performance. It was a very interesting show. It conveys the feelings that people of those times had. It was really cool. I liked it. It was very interesting to learn the origins of my family name. The purpose of this activity is eventually to help a Jewish person to find his place in the universe. What did I see today? I found out who I am. Point. Thanks to the theatralized show, we could retrace everything which we saw during the last week in Israel. And then we passed to the origins of our family name and our families, and we learned many new things. To say it globally, we feel free thanks to what these people did. What we attempt to do here is we're trying to give these young Jews firm ground beneath their feet. And when you know for sure who you are, it's very hard to confuse you. Every participant of our workshop receives as a gift certificate of family name origin. It's a really wonderful activity. In fact, I don't even have anything to add. Everything is done in such a playful form, it gets you really involved. All the information is absorbed so easily, and somehow it spurs you to make a further research. So I'm really thankful. I liked it everything from the very beginning to the very end, really have nothing to add. It was super interesting. They played so well. It was a fantastic interaction with the public. It was a really cool interactive activity, such an immersement into the history of Jews and their origins. We learned the origins and mission of the family, and in the modern world it's so cool to learn about yourself a bit more than I knew. It's really cool. Now I know where my roots are. One more interactive game with the participants. Often we find that there are relatives in the group. They don't know about this because they don't know the history of their families. We tell them about this. You are really relatives. It's a very rare last name. So it might be that 150 years ago you had a common ancestor. What do you know about your relatives, about your family? I couldn't find anything because after the war nothing remained. They are from Belarus. Grandparents and great-grandparents are from Belarus, but there's no information. But Dima maybe have. Yes, I have information. Well, it's still my grandfather has it. It was quite a number of generations ago. Right now I cannot say it, but where they're from? Well, they're from Belarus, from Zlobin. Turn to us, we will be happy to help you. And I think that you are really not such distant relatives. Good luck.